welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's discuss what is La Nina and how does its later onset impact the world and India. So let's see what happens due to this phenomena. La Nina, this term means little girl in Spanish. So now let's come to the point. What does this La Nina means? It's a phenomenon that occurs as a result of ocean atmospheric interactions, maybe the interactions that happens on the surface of the ocean, and these interactions affect the water temperatures in the central and eastern tropical Pacific oceans, and this in turn affect the global weather. So let's see what are all the global effects due to this La Nina and how it also affects India's climate. So when we come to the global terms, whereas in Africa it causes drought-like conditions, severe drought it causes, and whereas it comes to India, it causes normal to above normal monsoon rainfall, whereas in Atlantic areas it intensifies the hurricanes. Hurricanes in the term uh, cyclones. So we call cyclones as hurricanes. And in USA, it increases rainfall in the southern states. So this is how this La Nina affects the global countries. All that is how it affects the countries globally. And when it comes to India, let's see what are all the with this La Nina in India's climate. So first of all, when we come to winter, this La Nina causes very colder nights and slightly warmer daytime temperature in North India or the northern parts of India, we can say. And it also causes higher wind speed. So, due to this high wind speed, it improves the air quality. Guess what? It improves the air quality by dispersing the pollutants in the air. So, through that, it improves the quality of air. And the next is very important, it's lower planetary boundary layer height, which is shortly called PBLH. So, this PBLH can trap pollutants near the ground, so which also worsens the air pollution. So, it also improves the air quality by causing higher wind speed, whereas the same way it also traps the pollutants to the ground, causing the worse air pollution. And as I told in the beginning, in 2024, La Nina onset is delayed. So let's see how they are telling us La Nina is delayed. So La Nina usually forms in the pre-monsoon or the monsoon season itself. So in 2024, it is still delayed. So let's see how they have calculated this. It can be calculated with Oceanic Nino Index, which is ONI. Its value should be, that is the threshold value should be minus zero point 0.5 degrees Celsius, whereas now it is minus zero point 0.3 degrees Celsius. So this is how they've calculated La Nina is, the onset of La Nina is delayed. So as of now, it is delayed, and when La Nina forms, we can see what are the consequences or the benefits the Indian climate will get through this onset of La Nina. So, when it forms, North India will have the cooler winters, and then in summer, 2025 summer will be having very stronger monsoons. So, the monsoon rainfall will increase due to this La Nina condition. And let's see what are all the significance for India's climate due to this La Nina. So we can divide it into four parts. So what are its effect in agriculture and in water resources and in energy, and also the last point we told was about the summer season will have stronger monsoon, right? So how the heat conditions will be in 2025 due to this La Nina's onset. So when it comes to agriculture, as I told before, it causes strong monsoon, and this stronger monsoon will cause Crop production. It will boost the agricultural produce many times. And next, when it comes to water resources, so due to the storage of excess rainfall, the reservoir levels will be improved. So thus, it will reduce the water stress. So there will not be any difficulties for the water resources available in the country. And then when it comes to energy, the enhanced rainfall supports the hydropower generation. So as we all know, the major power consumption or the major power production is from hydel resource. So when there is too much of uh, monsoon, we can produce energy from the hydropower. So that's how it boosts the energy production. And last point, when we come to the heat relief, so when we talk about summers, this there is heat relief. There will be less intense heat waves as compared to the El Nino years. So 2023 was one such El Nino year, and it caused severe hot heat waves. The heat waves were so intense. So when we compare to the 2023, which was a El Nino year, 2025 will be having less intense heat waves due to the onset of La Nina. So these are the information about La Nina and its impact due to the delayed onset for India and the global countries. So thank you. See you on some other day with another video. Bye.